Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bonbons out of paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need some colorful paper like cardstock or scrapbook paper, along with a pair of sharp scissors and a ruler. Don't forget your adhesive, either glue or double-sided tape, and a pencil for marking. For extra flair, consider adding ribbon, glitter, or even tiny treats inside your finished bonbons. Now, let's get to cutting and shaping. Start by cutting your chosen paper into a rectangular shape. A good size to begin with is about 8 inches long by 6 inches wide. Next, fold the paper in half lengthwise and then unfold it. This creates a helpful crease. Apply a thin line of glue or a strip of double-sided tape along one of the long edges, then carefully bring the other long edge over to meet it, forming a paper tube. With your paper tube ready, it's time to create the classic bonbon shape. Take one end of the tube and gently crimp or gather the paper. Secure this crimped end tightly with a piece of ribbon or string, tying a neat knot. Now, fill your bonbon with small candies, confetti, or a tiny message. Once filled, crimp and tie the remaining open end, mirroring the first side, to finish your delightful paper bonbon. Finally, it's time to decorate and enjoy your handmade paper bonbons. You can add a touch of sparkle with glitter, personalize them with stickers, or draw fun designs with markers. These charming creations are perfect as party favors for birthdays or holidays, small thoughtful gifts, or even as festive decorations. Don't be afraid to experiment with various paper patterns, colors, and sizes to create a unique collection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.